The third industrial region of our country is Ahmedabad Vadodara region. This region lies in close proximity to the cotton growing tracts of Gujarat plains. The industrialization of this region began with the dispersal of cotton textile industry from Mumbai closer to the source of raw materials and market. The region enjoys the following favorable factors. Firstly, the proximity of cotton growing areas and the densely populated areas of Gujarat plains providing extensive market. Second factor is that this discovery of oil in the Khambhat basin led to the development of petrochemical complexes around Ankaleshwar and Vadodara. The third factor is that the development of the Kandla port, it has boosted up the industrialization of this region. Another factor is that the rich Marathi capitalists and they promoted the industries in a big way. The region is well connected with the interior part of the country. Cheap and skilled labor were available in abundance in this region. The completion of power projects like Dhuvaran Thermal Power Station, Uttaran Power Station, Ukai Hydroelectrical Power Station and the Kakrapara Nuclear Power Station provide stimulus to industrial growth of this region. Ahmedabad Vadodara region is an important industrial hub of India and has a very developed petrochemical, textiles, jewellery, pharmaceuticals, drugs, diamond cuttings, leathers, glasswares, plastics, chemicals, fertilizers and engineering good industries. Ahmedabad is also known as the Manchester of India on account of having heavy concentration of textile manufacturings. Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Bharucha, Surendranagar, Koyali, Anand, Khera, Rajkot and Jamnagar are some of the major industrial centers in this region. Let me see the fourth industrial region of the country, Madurai, Coimbatore, Bangalore region. The region encompasses states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The region is known for manufacturing of cotton, silk industries, sugar refining, leather goods, auto and aircraft parts, electronics, telecommunication, watches, electricals, engineering goods and various other industrial manufacturings. This region is basically a cotton growing tract. It is dominated by cotton textile industry mainly. The region is favored by the following factors. Firstly, the region has an agriculturally prosperous hinterland, abundant raw materials like cotton, raw silk, sugarcane, etc. Second factor is that the region is minerally rich too. Iron ore, gold, bauxite, manganese, etc. are available here in plenty. The Paikara, Papanasam, Mettur, Sharavati and Shivasamudram hydroelectrical power stations provides cheap power to the industries of this region. This industrial cluster has an easy access to both the coast and therefore facilitate external trade. This region have another advantage is that it is connected with Mumbai and Chennai ports and airports and other means of transportation are plenty. This region witnessed most rapid industrial growth in the post-independence period. Bangalore, Salem, Chennai, Shivakachi, Tiruchirappalli, Mettur, Mysore, etc. are important industrial centers in this industrial cluster.